Building financial discipline isn't just about tracking expenses or sticking to a budget, it begins with your mindset. The way you think about money influences every decision you make, whether it's choosing to save, spend, invest, or delay gratification. If your money mindset is reactive, emotional, or shaped by outdated beliefs, staying disciplined with budgeting, saving, and responsible spending can feel like a constant struggle. Shifting to a mindset rooted in awareness, intention, and self-control is the foundation for long-term financial success. When you master your money mindset, you gain the power to break unhealthy spending habits, overcome impulse buying, and make choices that truly support your long-term goals. Financial discipline isn't about perfection, it's about consistent progress. With the right mindset and a few supportive daily practices, anyone can strengthen their financial habits and move confidently toward stability, security, and future success. Your attitude toward money shapes your financial reality more than you might realize. The way you think, feel, and react to money influences the choices you make every single day. If finances feel stressful or overwhelming, it becomes easy to avoid budgeting, planning, or saving. But when you develop a positive, proactive money mindset, you naturally start taking control, making smarter decisions, and building long-term financial stability. Many people carry money beliefs from childhood. Ideas like, money is scarce, rich people are greedy, or, money causes problems. These beliefs quietly affect your behavior as an adult, often leading to overspending, fear of investing, or resistance to planning. Recognizing these limiting beliefs is the first step toward rewriting them and creating healthier financial habits. A strong wealth-focused mindset encourages planning, discipline, confidence, and gratitude. It's not about being perfect, it's about creating thought patterns that support your goals instead of sabotaging them. When your mindset shifts, your behaviors follow. Strengthening financial discipline begins with awareness. Spending just a few minutes each day reviewing purchases or updating your budget keeps you grounded and prevents mindless overspending. Consistent money check-ins, whether daily or weekly, help you stay aligned with your financial goals. Reviewing bills, adjusting your budget, or reflecting on your spending choices builds routine, structure, and long-term discipline. Simple supportive habits also create powerful results. Packing your lunch, automating your savings, reducing online shopping temptations, or setting personal spending limits may seem small, but these habits compound over time. They make financial discipline feel natural rather than restrictive. Overcoming impulse spending starts with identifying your triggers. Most impulses come from boredom, stress, online ads, or emotional moments. When you recognize those patterns, you can redirect them toward healthier habits. Practicing the 24-hour rule is another powerful tool. By waiting a day before buying anything non-essential, you separate emotion from decision-making and avoid many regretful purchases. Accountability tools can also keep you on track, using cash instead of cards for discretionary spending, unsubscribing from sales emails, setting screen time limits for shopping apps, or tracking every purchase. These simple adjustments reduce temptation and give you more control over your habits. Financial discipline also means embracing short-term sacrifices for long-term rewards. Cutting back on small expenses may feel uncomfortable at first, but these trade-offs free up money for savings, investments, debt payoff, and future opportunities. Every small sacrifice today becomes a step toward financial freedom tomorrow. Keeping your financial goals visible makes the journey easier. Whether your goal is buying a home, starting a business, traveling, or building an emergency fund, having a clear vision strengthens your motivation. Vision boards, notes on your phone, or journal reminders can help keep your future goals front and center. And finally, celebrate your progress. Every positive step, saving an extra amount, avoiding an impulse buy, or sticking to your budget for the week, deserves recognition. Celebrating your wins boosts confidence, reinforces healthy habits, and keeps you motivated to continue your financial growth. If this video helped you understand accounting a little better, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more accounting tips and guides. See you in the next video.